In this video, we are going to see total surface area of a cuboid where space diagonal and base sides are given. What is a space diagonal actually? There are two types of diagonal in cuboid. One is a space diagonal and one is phase diagonal. So let's understand what it is. See, here ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, if you will make the upper rectangle which is FGHE, so from A to G corner, the line which is joining from A to G, it will be the longest diagonal. And this diagonal is called space diagonal because it is in space, right? And if you will join A to C, so this is called face diagonal because it is on the face of that rectangle. And A to G, it is in space, means it is inside that cuboid. If you will join A to F, that is also diagonal, but it is a phase diagonal. So now hope you know the difference between space diagonal and phase diagonal. Space diagonal, how many space diagonal we can draw in a cuboid? Four space diagonal from A to G, then from E to C, then from H to B, and from D to F. Like this you can draw four space diagonal. And now you have to answer me in the comment section how many phase diagonal we can draw. Now let's come to the question. Space diagonal is given 13 centimeter, base sides are given 5 and 12. Okay, so first what you will do, find the height. And for base diagonal we have one formula. Diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square plus height square. So if you will do AG square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus BF square, which is height. So 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square plus H square, where 169 is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal plus H square, and it will finally 169 is equal to 169 plus H square will come, and finally H square is equal to 0, where H is equal to 0 centimeter. If height is 0, then what you have to do? Total surface area formula, you know, total surface area formula is 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. And here if you will substitute all the values, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter and height is equal to 0 centimeter, so you will get the answer. Now you might be getting confused why base sides we are taking 5 and 12, 12 as length, because base side means what? In base there will be length and breadth only, so you can interchange it also. Okay, and length is always long than breadth, so that's why length we are taking 12 centimeter and breadth we are taking as 5. So 5 into 12 plus 5 into 0 plus 12 into 0, so this heights will become 0, and 12 into 5 is 60, so 60 into 2 is 120. So total surface area of this cuboid is 120 centimeter square. So final dimension of this cuboid, what we can say, length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 0 centimeter. This is interesting, height is 0, and if height will be 0, then it is a rectangle only, right? And 13 5 12 is a Pythagorean triplet. So here it is Pythagoras theorem, 12 square plus 5 square is equal to 13 square. Hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.